The change starts in every home, in every heart. Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam changed the whole world by changing people. When Allah becomes number one in my life, in everything, then Allah will give me victory because He promised me. He promised me. وَلَا يُخْلِفُ الْمِيعَادِ إِنَّهُ لَا يُخْلِفُ الْمِيعَادِ حاشا. He will never not fulfill the promise, but I haven't done it yet. This is what we need. Don't be afraid to be a Muslim. Don't be arrogant, but don't be afraid. Somebody asked me, you are different. I said, yes, I am. And I'm very happy I'm different. Alhamdulillah. Start with yourself. Let's make our homes Muslim homes. When I enter, I see Islam in the house. I don't say, did you pray? I say, how was your salah? How was your connection with Allah? And if I have it as an adult, the children will have it. This is what we all need. The last thing I will end, and this is in Surah Al-Anfal. Surah Al-Anfal is about Badr. And Allah gave the keys of victory. Ya ayyuha alladhina amanu. This is everybody here in this room, and whoever is hearing us online. إِذَا لَقِيتُمْ فِئَةً فَاثْبُتُوا. When you meet a group, stay steadfast. This is at war, we are not. But when I am in the street and someone talks to me, فَاثْبُتُوا, stay steadfast. 1. وَاذْكُرُوا اللَّهَ كَثِيرًا لَعَلَّكُمْ تُفْلِحُونَ. Remember Allah plenty. Not only when I need Him, not only when I am begging Him now because of what's happening, daily. That's 2. 3. وَأَطِيعُوا اللَّهَ وَرَسُولَهُ. Obey Allah categorically. It's not when I like and when I don't like. In Ramadan I'm this, outside Ramadan. وَأَطِيعُوا اللَّهَ وَرَسُولَهُ. Your sunnah, where are we from His sunnah, external and internal? Now look at 4. This is going to hurt. وَلَا تَنَازَعُوا فَتَفْشَلُوا وَتَذْهَبَ رِيحُكُمْ. Don't differ. Don't quarrel. This is not the time. This is not. We need to be all together. فَتَذْهَبَ رِيحُكُمْ. Number 5. وَاصْبِرُوا. Be patient. Be patient. And that's what Allah wants from me. Remember Him a lot. Dua, dhikr. Obey unconditionally. I cannot. I'm obeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, and be patient. And the last I will say from the Quran, when the Sahaba looked on the Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam and says, Mata Nasrullah. When is this? You just heard the history. It's more than 100 years. And what Allah said, Ala inna nasrallahi qareeb. The victory of Allah is close, is there. But there of Allah is not you and me. It's not 24 hours. The day in Allah is 1,000 years or 50,000. What Allah wants from me and you and everybody, let's do our homework as an individual. Let's go back to Allah truly. Let's obey Him truly. And don't you have a doubt, an iota of doubt, that Allah will never let us down.